Hello students, in this video we will see that how we can prove 3 points are collinear by the section formula. In previous video I have already told you that how you can prove that 3 points are collinear by the triangle area. In this video we will prove by section formula. Okay, let me take one example here. Using section formula, show that the points A, which has coordinate -3 and -1, point B coordinate is 1 and 3, and third point C coordinate is -1 and 1 are collinear. Let we assume that point C lie between A and B. Let we assumed that point C, which has coordinate -1 and 1, lies between A -3 and -1 and B, which has coordinate 1 and 3, and it divide line segment AB in K ratio 1. Okay, now we will prove that point C really divide AB in K ratio 1. Let point A coordinate is -3 and -1, point B coordinate 1 and 3, and let we assume that point C lie between A and B, -1 and 1. By section formula, we will find that in which ratio point C divide to AB line segment. So x coordinate of C will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. We have already x coordinate of C -1 here, so we will put here -1. m1 and m2 will be k and 1. x2 and x1 we will take from A and B point here. m1 is k, x2 coordinate we will take from the B point 1, m2 value 1 here. Now x1 will be the coordinate of x from point A, it is -3. m1 plus m2 will be k plus 1. Now k plus 1 transfer here, and when multiply -1 it give -k -1, and it will be k, and 1 multiply -3 give -3. Now we will start to arrange it. -k, when the k transfer here will be -k, -1 transfer here, -3 plus 1 -2, because -k minus a will be -2k, -3 plus 1 will be -2, minus cancel here, k value will be 1 here. Now we will find the y coordinate here. Y coordinate of C, formula of the y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. We have y coordinate of C already here, plus 1. M1 will be K, Y2 will be 3, plus M2 1, Y1 will be the coordinate of A, minus 1, M1 plus M2, K plus 1. When K plus 1 multiply by 1 give us K plus 1, 3 multiply K, 3K, minus 1 multiply plus 1 give minus 1. Now we will start arrange it. K minus 3K, because when the 3K transfer here it give minus 3K, minus 1, and plus 1 transfer here give minus 1. Now K minus 3K give minus 2K, minus 1 will be minus 2. So minus minus cancel here, K value will be 1 here. Now you can see here in the both cases value of K are same here. That means point C divide AB in 1:1, because K value is 1 here, then point C divide AB in 1:1. Here value of K in both cases is same, so point C lies between point A and B. That means therefore points are collinear. It's okay. Now you can see here when you got the value of K in both cases are same here, that means 3 points are collinear. I hope you can understand. Now we solve a question which is related to the distance and section formula. This question is given by a class 10th student. Let me solve it. Question is, the center of a circle O, which has coordinate 4a minus 2, 6a plus 2, and this circle is passing through the point A, minus 6 and minus 2. It is given of question here. If the diameter of the circle is 40, then find the value of A. First we will try to make a figure here. Circle which has center O, and the coordinate of O is given here 4a minus 2, and the y coordinate is 6a plus 2, and it is given that the length of the diameter is AB, and the length of the diameter is 40, and it is given here point A coordinate is minus 6 and minus 2, because this circle is passed through the point A. Now you can see here length of AB is 40, then AO will be the radius, and radius is the half of the diameter. That means the length of AO will be 20. Now we will use the distance formula, because A and O distance is 20 here, so we will use distance formula. By distance formula, length of OA will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and square root. Okay, we know that length of OA we have here 20. X2 and X1 will be the coordinate of A and B here. So X2 will be 4A minus 2, 4A minus 2 minus, and X1 value here minus 6, and the formula sign minus will be plus 6 whole square, plus Y2 coordinate will be 6A plus 2, 6A plus 2 minus sign and minus 2, because y1 coordinate is minus 2 and minus sign will be here plus 2 whole square and square root. When we remove the square root, then other side will be square here, so 20 square. 4a minus 2 plus 6 give 4 square, plus 6a plus 2 and plus 2 will be 4, then 6a plus 4 ka whole square. 20 square give 400 equals to 4a plus 4. When we use the identity a plus b ka whole square, then it will be 16a square plus 32a plus 16. We will open it by the formula a plus b ka whole square. Now we will use here a plus b whole square, that means it will be 36 a square plus 48 a plus 16. Is that clear? We will open it a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 400 equals to 16a square plus 36a square give us 52a square plus 32a plus 48a give us 80a plus 16 plus 16 give us 32. Now you can see here we will take 4 common here. Is that clear? 4 common, then it will be 13a square plus 20a plus 8, 400. When the 4 transfer to other side, then it will be 400 upon 4 equals to 13a square plus 20a plus 8. When 400 cut by 4, 100 equals to 13a square plus 20a plus 8. When we arrange it, 13a square plus 20a plus 8, and the 100 transfer here, minus 100 equals to 0. Then the general form of equation 13a square plus 20a minus 92 equals to 0. You can see here it is a quadratic equation, 13a square plus 20a minus 92. We will solve it by the middle term split here. Middle term split method. Okay, we have equation 13a square plus 20a minus 92 equals to 0. According to this method, the last number will be multiply the first number. when we multiply 92 and 13, we got here minus 92. When multiply by 13, we got here minus 1196. Now we will think two number, their product will be minus 1196 and their sum will be 20. We think two number, their product will be minus 1196 and addition will be plus 20. So we will think here 46 and 26, because we have here plus 20, then 46 will be plus and 26 will be minus, because when we sum plus 46 and minus 26 give us plus 20. Is that clear? So we will write here 13a square. Two number are here, 46 plus 46a minus 26a minus 92 equals to 0. Now you can see we will take common here, a common, then remaining part will be 13a plus 13a plus 46, and in this cases we will take common minus 2, then it will be 13a plus 46 equals to 0. In both cases we will take common here 13a plus 46, and the remaining part will be a and minus 2 equals to 0. You can see here the product of both number is 0. So one time we will take now 13a plus 46 equals to 0. A equals to 46 minus upon 13, and the second value a minus 2 equals to 0. A value will be 2 here. Now you can see here value of a is 2 and value of a is minus 46 upon 13, but we know that distance never will be negative, so answer a equals to minus 46 upon 13 are not suitable here, and value of a will be a equals to 2. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा.